The mirror of comparison. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, I wish I were like them, smarter, better looking, more popular, or more successful? Most of us have. We often compare our own lives with others, not realizing how silently it steals our peace and happiness. There was a girl named Maria, a bright and kind-hearted student. But no matter what she achieved, she was never satisfied. If she scored 85 marks, she'd say, but George got 90. If she bought new shoes, she'd whisper, but rubies are better. Even when she looked at herself in the mirror each morning, she'd sigh, I wish I looked more like her. Her parents and teachers noticed that Maria was losing her smile. She had stopped enjoying her achievements. One day, her teacher, Ms. Stephanie, handed her a small box. Inside was a mirror, old, framed in wood, and a bit dusty. Ms. Stephanie said, Maria, this is a special mirror. It doesn't just show how you look, it shows how you feel about yourself. Maria was puzzled but curious. The next morning, she looked into the mirror. Strangely, her reflection looked dull and faded, almost like the colors had drained away. She tried cleaning it, but the dullness stayed. Later that day, she met her friend Lara, who had just won a science competition. Instead of congratulating her, Maria thought, why can't I win like her? That evening, when she looked again into the mirror, her reflection grew even fainter. Days passed. Every time she compared herself with someone else, her reflection became blurrier. But one day, Maria saw a younger student struggling with homework. She smiled, sat beside her, and helped her understand. That night, when she looked in the mirror, something magical happened. Her reflection shone a little brighter. She began to focus on herself, her own growth, her small victories, her kindness. When she learned something new, she smiled. When she failed, she told herself, it's okay, I'll try again. And slowly, the mirror showed a clear, confident, glowing version of her, the Maria she truly was. She realized the secret. The mirror didn't change. Her mindset did. Friends, we all hold a mirror of comparison in our minds. Every time we measure our worth by someone else's success, that mirror dims. But when we focus on our own journey, appreciate what we have, and work to be a better version of ourselves, the reflection shines. Remember, comparison kills confidence. Gratitude builds growth. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. So next time you look at someone else's achievements or appearances, don't think, I wish I were them. Think instead, what can I learn from them to become my best self? And when you look into your own mirror, make sure the reflection smiles back at you, not because you're perfect, but because you're proud of who you're becoming. Moral: don't compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 20. Your story is still being written, and it's uniquely yours.